lined up. Hamani is also clearly not done with you guys. Are you guys done with Hamani or do you want more? You want more? Then continue making that noise because it's just awestruck as to how he's doing that. What is he even doing? Is he going through the barrels? He's going through the barrels. What? What?
What just happened?
Wow, man.
Oh, now it's on 4 wheels. Wow. Yeah.
Wow, man, Hamani. Killing it as always. Oh my God. That's Hamani.
Actually, that's one of the same thing. When Himani comes to you, you gotta make some noise. He is doing the whole lap.